Welcome back, Crypto Rico here with another one. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Put on that bell notification so you too can be notified when we're over here experiencing the abundance of money, man. You guys do not want to miss out. Also, do not miss out. $100 giveaway. Simply like, subscribe, follow me on Twitter, tag me and a friend on Twitter. That simple, that easy. Win the $100. Use the tips and tricks in the video to make it grow, or simply go spend it. None of this is financial advice. I'm bringing financial awareness to a crypto space that is changing on the hour, every hour. With that being said and out the way, welcome back to Woo Kingdom. We're going to dive in a little bit deeper, and I think it's something that's important for not just the community members to know that might not know, but also potential new investors to know how they're going to contribute to this in the future and how the empowerment's actually going to come through these NFTs, helping women across the globe, okay? So we have the vision right here, which is important. We have our vision is to create a sanctuary where all women of the world can come together without divide of race, culture, religion, or differences. A place where women can feel accepted, inspired, empowered, and united in a world that sometimes can seem filled with chaos and divide. Only the strength of the divine feminine energies can bring forth love, light, and peace. And I agree with that. My way of finding the light of the divine feminine energy is through a full moon. That's my way of getting in tune with that. The moon to me is always very cultivating, and I always feel more in tune with the divine feminine energies. It might be wrong, might be right, but that's how I get in tune with receiving that light from the divine feminine energies, is through the moon. But there's a lot of different ways to do this, but nevertheless, let's continue. This is a reason we decide to set up our mission to gather all positive souls and light workers by becoming a beacon of beauty, oneness, and divinity. The goal of our project is to provide as many opportunities for women to become abundant and create financial freedom in their lives and not be bogged down by the struggles of lack of financial resources. We have set forth a plan to develop not only a virtual education center for women to gain knowledge, but also to create a physical Woo Palace where all women can join in unity. And I think that is very epic. I think that is something huge. I think that's something that I can see continue to grow moving forward with this project. And now the charity aspect, that I think it's awesome, and I want to stress on, and I like this a lot, and this is how we're going to keep pushing forward, and why this project is not only going to help us live more abundantly, which is something that I stress on this channel a lot, and I want people to grow, but also how it's going to help others, okay? The Women Unite Project believes that with great abundance comes great ability to help others. This is why we dedicated 10%, this is that part right there, 10% of the proceeds to assist with women in need through charity. The Women Unite models and the team come from a place of compassion, gratitude, and love, and believe that it is not just about the monetary materials that make a difference, but also the act of contribution. I couldn't agree more with the team and, of course, the models on this project. The models themselves also participate on site to spread the message of love and positivity. With the support of all Woo Kingdom members, we are able to create a bigger impact on women all across the globe. And that is something I want to be a part of, and that's something that I am a part of now, being part of the Woo Kingdom. And I'm very excited for this project. We got April 8th. We're keeping our foot on the gas with this project. I need you guys to load it up with comments again. I want everybody to see how strong the positivity is over here, and all the things that this project is going to bring, not just this new aspect of NFT, but also really helping people. And I think that's very important, and it's one of the main pillars of this project, is to empower women. So if you guys can help me with that, that'd be awesome. If you can't, at the very least, continue to come back, experience the abundance of money with me. Till next time, you guys know what it is. Later.